Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show to you how to open multiple charts layout on TradingView free version. Usually only paid members can use multiple layout option. However, you can use this option by using a little trick. To use this option, you need to install Vivaldi browser. Install Vivaldi from vivladi.com website. After the installation, open TradingView in a different tabs. Select all tabs to this whole control button and click on tabs one by one. After the selection, right-click on a tab. Select tile 4 tabs. Here I have selected 4 tabs, that's why showing tile 4 tabs. The number of tabs you select will be displayed here. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe me if you like this channel, and please share if you like the video.